Hello guys, so this video is in continuation to the video that I had done before regarding the disassembly of HP 15 series laptop. Now this video shows the assembly of HP 15 series laptop except its screen. Okay, so the order of assembling the laptop goes in the order shown in the video. First let's assemble its speakers. Okay, so there goes the speakers right into its slot. Next, to tighten its screws and put it in place. Next, to put its motherboard in place. Before this, first attach the power cord pin to the motherboard. So there goes the power cord pin into its socket. Now to put the USB port pin into its place. Next, to put the fan in place. Next, to insert the fan pin into its socket. Next, to plug in the wireless or Wi-Fi adapter and pin the coaxial or UFL pin onto it. Next, put the USB ports into its place. Next, to tighten these USB ports into place with the screws provided. Next comes the hard disk. So to put the hard disk into place, just slide in the hard disk into the slot provided. So there it goes. Now to fasten it using the two screws provided. Next, to slide in the white speaker pin into its socket. Now to tighten the Wi-Fi adapter using the hexagonal screw. Next, to tighten the motherboard into place using the two screws provided. You have to tighten the motherboard at the top as being shown and at the bottom. So there goes the first screw onto the top, and there goes the second screw at the bottom. Next, to insert the display pin onto the motherboard. Now using the three screws provided, tighten the fan onto the laptop board or the chassis. Now check whether each of the hardware has been secured onto the chassis, and see everything has been secured properly using the screws provided. Next, to insert the top board onto the chassis. Now, to tighten the top board onto the chassis using the 4 screws provided. Now to insert the touchpad pin and the power pin into its respective slots. Next, to put the keyboard in place. So to do this, first flip the keyboard, then put its pins, slide the pin into the slot provided. The next step is to put on its battery. The next step is to slide in the CD drive, and the final step is to put in all the 9 screws and tighten it. Now the order of the screws goes like this. First put in the screw for the CD drive, next for the keyboard, and rest of the screws have to be put in and tightened. So the last step is to see whether the laptop turns on or not. Okay, so the laptop turns on. There we go. And there comes the welcome screen. Don't forget to like this video, share and subscribe to my channel. So until the next time, see you guys. Bye bye.